Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can add your Bybit debit cards to your Apple Wallet. If you remember that in 2025 we couldn't able to add our Bybit debit cards to Apple Wallet, but now Bybit let us add in our debit cards to Apple Wallet. So this is how you can do it. You can go to assets and then tap on this my card, and again you will see there is a button called my cards. Tap on that, and then you can see our previous cards are not supported in Apple Wallet. So the thing is you need to do is just swap right, and you need to apply a new MasterCard. You can just easily apply with some details like your name and address, and also after applying that you can easily see your master virtual card. You don't need to apply a physical card. You can easily go with MasterCard virtual. All right, so after you successfully add your MasterCard virtual, you can go to Apple Wallet again and tap on this plus icon on the top, and you will also see the last button called Bybit, right? And tap on that, and you can see all the cards I have. So I'm going to deselect these two because those are Visa cards, so it's not going to work if you go with Visa cards. So I'm going to select the MasterCard I have and continue, and you can see the number, and also I'm going to continue. All right, so you can see click you can tap on this agree button. All right, so that's all. You can add your debit cards again to your Apple Wallet. So thank you.